So this is a Zoozee Z70 robot vacuum cleaner. I was sent this by this company to evaluate it and see how it is, but for this video we're going to do a simple unboxing, just a general look over, see what exactly it comes with, and maybe we'll turn it on. So some of the features it has is long battery life. Apparently it has strong suction as well as Lidar navigation. That's actually interesting because the higher end iRobot branded machines also have Lidar. 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping. That'll be interesting to see how they've done that. Nothing really here on this side. It's the back, manufacturer. And that's it. So let's open it up. I really like how they did the packaging on this, but presumably this is the warranty and instruction booklets. So you get your Wi-Fi card, how to use, simple quick start guide, as well as your normal manual. Warranty card. You get a 1-year warranty with this machine. That looks like it's on the machine and on the docking station. Now this stuff, which are your consumable items, stuff that's meant to be used and worn out, that's not going to have a warranty. That's understandable. So in here is presumably the Mop Plate. So it seems to be pretty simple. So it's just a basic little mop attachment. That's interesting. You can take these and wash them in your clothes washer. So pull the robot out. A lot of stuff comes in here. There's nothing in this. Here's our power adapter, charging dock, and dustbin. Dustbin so includes a couple of these brushes just in this box. There's the machine itself. I want you to remove this. That's cool. It's got a little hood on it. So this is everything that you get with this little machine. You gotta say that that's an interesting feature. Different way of charging too. It looks like it just goes up against it like this, which I'm actually really interested to see how well that works, because these old iRobots and even the newer ones still use the traditional dock where the machine runs up on top of it. Sometimes these can be problematic if they don't always make the best contact, and you occasionally have to clean them every now and again. So this will definitely be interesting to see how well that works. So let me set it up and get you guys a video on that. Alright, so I just downloaded the app on my phone and binded it to the machine. So let's finish up setting this thing up. So first what we'll do is install the brushes. Now if you don't plan on using the mop attachment, you're going to have to remove it. At least mine came.
Water box is unmounted.
There you go. So this is for the mopping attachment. So we'll just put that stuff together. And this is for dirt dry pickup. I do like that they include this little tool with it as well.
Shutting down.
That's how you shut it down. So let's look at the brush here. I actually really like this design of brushes because they have this little flap here. They do a really good job, at least on other models that I've seen that have something similar. And then of course, if you want to get to the brush, it's pretty easy to do so. So there's the brush roll. Get in there, clean everything out in there, not too bad. And just put this back in place, just like that. And of course, if you need to clean off the brushes here, you can just pull these off, clean out the inside of here, as well as in here. And then these, just like on any other robot vacuum, you can pull them out just like this. Then you can get like a small screwdriver and kind of pry out the little pin that's holding the wheel in. You guys will see this on the future video that I do on how to service one of these. So it's pretty similar for really any other robot vacuum though. So take that into consideration. So what we have here, it looks like these are the sensors, so it doesn't go crashing down the stairs. And as before, I believe this is the Lidar deal. So looking at the front here, it looks like we also have 2 sensors. So now just to set up the docking station and the power cord. Install this just like this, it looks like. And they want you to put the rest of it inside. Move my trash can over. So let's see what it does when we turn it on.
I am starting up. Please wait for a few seconds. I am going home. I am charging. Please wait.
So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and initial setup. I'll let you guys know how it is with a full review after I get at least a week of service out of it. Let you guys know how well it picks up. Then I'll show you guys some of the various features that I've learned about it. We'll see how well it cleans. Let's see how much dirt it can find. Stay tuned.